So I'm here at BMW Motorcycles in Ferndale, Washington, and we have the contract to do police motorcycles for the state of Washington as far as the bid process goes. And so I just thought I'd show you a picture here. We got police bikes, and these are our first order to the Washington State Patrol, our second order overall, and these are 10 bikes going to the Washington State Patrol today, and we get them down and they'll get them put together. They're moving away from the Hondas, moving back to the BMWs. I think they're going to be happy with these. They actually work pretty good. I test rode all of them yesterday and the day before, and they all work just great. Anyway, this is what we've been doing the last couple of weeks. Hopefully we can get back to business as usual. Anyway, if you know police that are looking for police bikes, let us know. We also do the Zero motorcycles and the police bikes. They're the electric bikes. So you can give us a call and we can set you up with a police bike. With an electric bike. They're pretty cool. Call Steven. 360-398-1601. That's our shop phone number.